Now we are learn about V6 engine. V6 engine has 6 piston and V shape, so it is called as V6 engine. It contains cylinder head, intake exhaust manifold, camshaft, rocker arm, spring, engine valve, oil pan, timing gear, crankshaft, piston, air filter. Now I explained how does the engine works. Engine has 4 cycles: suction, compression, power and exhaust. In a spark ignition engine, the fuel is mixed with air and then injected into the cylinder during the intake process. After the piston compresses the fuel air mixture, the spark ignites causing the combustion. The expansion of the combustion gases pushes the piston during the power stroke. In a diesel engine, only air is injected into the engine and the compressed. Diesel engine then spray the fuel into the hot compressed air of a suitable measured rate, causing it to the engine. Cylinder head. In an internal combustion engine, the cylinder head sits above the cylinder on the top of the block. It contains in the top of the cylinder, forming the combustion chamber. In most engines, the head also provides space for the passages that feed air and fuel to the cylinder and that allow the exhaust to escape. Exhaust manifold. Exhaust manifold collects the exhaust gas from multiple cylinders into the one pipe. Camshaft. Camshaft is a rotating object that contains pointed cams, which converts rotational motion to reciprocal motion. It controls mechanically ignition system. Rocker arm. Rocker arm is an oscillating lever that conveys radial movement from the cam to be into linear movement at the poppet valve to open it. Engine valve. Engine valve that control the flow of gases of fluids within an engine, particularly the fuel air mixes to the exhaust gases from internal combustion engines. Spark plug. Spark plug is a device for delivering electric current from an ignition system to the combustion chamber, a spark ignition engine to ignite the compressed fuel air mixture by an electric spark while containing combustion pressure within the engine. Oil pan. Oil pan is attached to the bottom of the engine. It's a reservoir for oil that gets pumped throughout the engine to lubricate clean and cool moving parts. Timing gear. Timing gear is connected by a chain, gears or a belt to the crankshaft at the one end and the camshaft to the other. The crankshaft drives the camshaft and the gears train controls valve timing in an internal combustion engine. Air filter. The main purpose of an automotive air filter is to filter and clean outside air before it gets sucked into a car engine and burned along with fuel to produce combustion. Crankshaft. Crankshaft is a rotating shaft which converts reciprocating motion of the piston into rotational motion. Crankshafts are commonly used in internal combustion engines and consist of a series of cranks and crankpins to which are connecting rods are attached. Crankshaft bushing. Crankshaft bushing is a mechanical element used to reduce friction between rotating shafts and a stationary support. Piston. Piston is a moving disc enclosed in a cylinder which is made gas tight by piston rings. The disc moves inside the cylinder as a liquid or gas inside the cylinder expands and contracts. A piston aids in the transformation of heat energy into mechanical work and vice versa. Thank you for watching the video.